Good morning students, welcome to second part of the first poem for the 9th standard student, The Road Not Taken. As we already introduced a brief idea about what is Road Not Taken, what is the historical and cultural background of this poem Road Not Taken, and about the poet Robert Frost. So let's begin with the poem, okay? Two roads diverged in a yellow wood. First line. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry, I could not travel both. So two roads diverged, okay? Two roads diverged, and he is standing in between that. And sorry, I could not travel both. So he cannot travel both the roads because he is only a one traveler. He is only a single person. He cannot travel both roads at a single time. And be one traveler, long I stood. So he is a single traveler. So he stood at that junction of road for a many time and looked down one as far as I could. And he just looked at both these roads or these two roads and thinking that which road I should take or which road I need to travel by to where it went in the undergrowth. So he just only see the road, the starting of the road. He didn't know where is the destination or where does this road ends. So he is in an utter confusion and he need to decide where should he go. So the next paragraph. Then took the other just as fair and perhaps the better claim because it was grassy and wanted fair. So I already told you in the first video that there is two roads. One is very furnished and very clean road, tarred and very much furnished like a real road. And the second one to the left side, which is very grassy and full of pointed stones are there. So then took the other just as fair. So he just tried to prefer the less traveled by road and having perhaps the better claim. So what does he said? He can have a better claim because it was grassy and wanted wear. So why he chose that less traveled way? Because it is grassy. There are lot of grass and wanted wear. Though as for that, the passing there had warned them really about the same. So to pass there had warned them really about the same. So a road which is less traveled by, as he is a rebel, he want to take the road less traveled by. Though as for that passing there had warned them really about it. So the poet Robert Frost feels that both the roads are same according to his perception, because the less traveled by road is more comfortable for him. Okay. Then we can move on to the third stanza. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. And both that morning equally lay. So he is experiencing the mood that both road, when the morning came, the leaves will drop down and the cuckoos were flying, and all those happenings are equally distributed to both roads. If it rains at that day, the rain will not rain for a specific road, but it will go for both the roads. So the poet here said that, and both that morning lay in leaves no step had trodden black. So morning or the nature has given equal status to both roads. In leaves no step and trodden. So in leaves and every nature has its own way of equality towards both roads. Oh, I kept the first for another day. So he think that I will take the most traveled road on another day, not now, but for some another day, yet knowing how way leads on the way. And he must need to know that where this road of less traveled by, or the left road, where this road leads on the way. I doubted if I should ever come back. So as I already said, that the road on the left side, which is less traveled by, which is full of grass and nailed stones. So he couldn't know that where it should be headed or where is the destination of that road. So he think that did I come back? So I doubted if I should never come back. And the last stanza, here we came to the last stanza. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Sigh means with a tension of emotion. Okay, sigh. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by. And that has made all the difference. So, with a sigh, with a little bit of tension, with a little bit of an emotional trouble, somewhere ages and ages. So, after many times, because through ages this less traveled road were not taken by anyone, so two roads diverged in a wood. Two roads, okay, one on the left side, the other on the right side. Right side is the well furnished road and left side is the less traveled road. So he just take the less, I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. So he just took the road less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. So that has made all the difference. This is what he said, difference. So what makes you different, or what makes you differ from other things? So in society most of the people are following someone, or most of the people are imitating someone. So the poet is declaring, or poet is morally advocating that everyone or every person has an individual difference and an individual identity and an individual perception by their own. So this difference of being independent, or this difference of being a unique nature, is what Robert Frost mentioned through his poem. So there is many rhyming words are here. The first one is wood, stood. Okay, these two, wood, stood. Both could, growth. Both could, growth. Okay, this is the rhymes were in the first stanza. And the second, fair, where. Okay, claim, same. These were the rhymes in the second stanza. Third stanza, lay, day, way. Lay, day, way. Okay, then black, back. Then on the fifth stanza, sigh, I. Okay, hence, difference. So sigh, I, by. Okay, hence, difference. So these were the rhymes or the rhyming words which we can find from the poem Road Not Taken, which is written by Robert Frost.